Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how you guys can go ahead and send money to people on PayPal. So hopefully by the end of today's video, you'll actually have an understanding of how this actually works. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So you guys can see I'm currently on the iPhone application here for PayPal. And at the homepage option here, you should already have the send and request option. Now here you can actually go ahead and press the send button. And once you go ahead and click that, you should be able to have the option to send it to one of your contacts, or you can actually search up their email and maybe type it in, and you can actually go ahead and send the money through there. Now, if you don't actually have that, you can actually go ahead and head over to the middle option that says payments, and then go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can actually go ahead and find the person here as well. So let's say that, maybe you don't actually know the person's email or that you actually want to send the money to. Go ahead, guys, if you guys can, try to get into contact with that person to actually get the right credentials or the right email to send the money to, because if you send it to the wrong email, then you'll actually be sending it to like maybe a random person in like maybe Serbia or something. So it's very important that you actually go ahead and get that right. But once you actually have the right username or password, not password, or mobile phone or email, just go ahead and click the person, and then after that, go ahead, give them the amount they want, and then press next. And then you're gonna have to type a description here, and I'm just going to type in video or whatever. So I'm going to type that in, and then you're going to press review. Now, if you already have a bank linked or maybe a debit card, you're not going to get this option here. It's just going to say review, and it's going to say if you want to send. But essentially, that's how you go ahead and do it, guys. It's super simple to do, and it's very easy. But with that being said, if you found this video extremely helpful, please leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe. But I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.